Good morning everybody. Today we are learning about a cardiac cycle. So cardiac cycle includes contraction of heart and relaxation of heart. Contraction of heart is known as systole and relaxation of heart is known as diastole. So this is our heart. So if we observe the parts of heart, this is the superior vena cava and this is the inferior vena cava and this is a coronary sinus. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the pulmonary veins. So these are the flaps and these are also flap. This is the right ventricle, right atrium, left atrium. So and this structure is called, this bluish structure is called as pulmonary artery. This yellowish structure is called as systemic arch. So pulmonary artery distributes deoxygenated blood into right lung and left lung. This systemic arch distributes oxygenated blood into different types of body parts. This systemic arch turns left side in mammals and turns right side in birds. So these are the valves and this superior vena cava is not having any valve, but this inferior vena cava is having valve and this coronary sinus is also having a valve. This inferior vena cava is having a valve named valve of Eustachius and this coronary sinus is having a valve known as valve of Thebaceous. So this superior vena cava is not having any valve due to its position. So first we discuss about auricular contraction, atrial contraction. So when auricles contracted, blood is pumped into ventricles. So this right atrium and left atrium, when they are contracted, these valves will be open. This 1, 2, 3, 3 flaps, first flap, second flap, third flap. So these are the cusps. So it is called as a tricuspid valve. And here only 2 cusps are present. So it is called as bicuspid valve. Now during this, valve of Eustachius and valve of Thebaceous are closed. Valve of Eustachius ekkada untadi, ikkada untadi. Inferior vena cava is provided by valve of Eustachius and coronary sinus is provided by valve of Thebaceous. These both are closed. Why? Because during contraction of auricles, the deoxygenated blood may enter into this inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. So to prevent this action, the valves are closed. Now the blood is entering into the right ventricle. So in the same time, this pulmonary veins, 1, 2, 3, 4 number of pulmonary veins arises from lungs and connected into left atrium. So they also closes. So this entire process is completes and closes in 0.1 second. This entire process is completed in 0.1 second. Ventricular systole means systole means contraction, diastole means relaxation. So auriculoventricular valves closes. So auriculoventricular valves closes. So auriculoventricular valves 1, 2, 3 cusps closes and here 2 cusps closes. In this action a sound will be produced. That sound is first sound, that is called lub. Now what happens? Semilunar valves opens. Say where are the semilunar valves are present? This pulmonary artery and this systemic artery are having semilunar valves. So after closing of this tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve, Here the deoxygenated blood is pushed into this pulmonary artery. These are the pulmonary veins, this is the pulmonary arteries. So this pulmonary arteries reaches to right lung and left lung. Here right ventricle distributes the deoxygenated blood to lungs by pulmonary artery. So here from different type of body parts, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, they are bringing deoxygenated blood into the right atrium. Heart itself distributing deoxygenated blood after its metabolic activity through this opening, that is coronary sinus. Coronary sinus collects deoxygenated blood from heart and distributes into the right ventricle. So now the deoxygenated blood is passed into this pulmonary artery to lungs. When semilunar valve opens, after closure and closing of the tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve. So in this time blood flows into arteries. This process completes in 0.3 seconds. In this same time, here oxygenated blood which is coming into left atrium by 4 number of pulmonary veins. So that is deposited here. So after closing of this bicuspid valve, when this left ventricle contracts, this blood is pushed into this systemic arch, and which blood? Oxygenated blood arising from pulmonary veins to left atrium, then left ventricle. Later, after opening of semilunar valves and closing of the bicuspid valve, this oxygenated blood passes into the systemic arch and distributes into the different types of body parts. So this entire process is completes in 0.3 seconds. So this is the auricular systole and ventricular systole. During ventricles systoles, auricles in diastole. Systole means contraction, diastole means relaxation. So as the same way, during ventricles in diastole means relaxation. During ventricles in relaxation, auricles in contraction means systole. So semilunar valves opens and blood pumps into aorta when this process is going on. So where are the semilunar valves are present? This is the blue line indicates the pulmonary artery. This is the systemic artery. This blue line distributes the deoxygenated blood into left and right lung, and this is the systemic arch. It distributes the oxygenated blood into different parts of body, and these both are provided by semilunar valves. So when these ventricles are contracted, the semilunar valves opens and these cusps are closed. By here tricuspid valve, by here bicuspid valve is present. These are closed and the semilunar valves opens and deoxygenated blood into lungs, oxygenated blood into different parts of body is distributed. So here during relaxation, 4 chambers volume increases and pressure decreases. During relaxation of 4 chambers, volume increases and pressure decreases. So here during this action, during distribution of the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood through this pulmonary artery and systemic arch, these 2 atria and 2 ventricles are relaxed. So the 4 chambers are in relaxed state. When the deoxygenated blood is passing into the pulmonary artery, when oxygenated blood is passing into the systemic artery, in this situation, in this time, this ventricles and above auricles, the 4 chambers are in relaxed state. They are in relaxed means diastole. So that situation is known as joint diastole. During joint diastole, 4 chambers are relaxed for some time. So in this time, after distributing, after completion of distribution, this semilunar valves closes. Both are closes and makes a second heart sound, that is dub. First sound is a lub. First sound is a lub is produced during closing of tricuspid valves and bicuspid valves, and second heart sound is produced by closing of semilunar valves of pulmonary artery and systemic arch. So these are the lub and dub. So why the semilunar valves are closed? Prevent the re-entry of the deoxygenated blood into right ventricle. Prevent backflow, the semilunar valves closes. Now how much timing will be taken for this actions? Auricular systole means contraction of auricles. It will take 0.1 second. So for in this time, so auricles in a contracted state about 0.1 second. Auricles in relaxation, auricular diastole, that is 0.3 seconds. So joint diastole, all 4 are in relaxing, that is joint diastole. When the blood is deoxygenated blood in flowing into the pulmonary artery, oxygenated blood is flowing into the systemic arch. That time total 4 chambers are in relaxed state. So that is joint diastole. It is about 0.4 seconds. This 0.4 and 0.3, these both are relaxed state. So 4, 3, 1, 4 plus 3 plus 1, totally 0.8 seconds. So this process is completes in 0.8 seconds. It is about auricles. What about ventricles? Now ventricles. Ventricular systole means contraction of ventricles. Contraction of ventricles is about 0.3 seconds, and relaxation of ventricles. Relaxation of ventricles is about 0.5 seconds. 5 plus 3, 8. 0.8 seconds. Both are the same. So here ventricles are taking so much time for relaxing. Why? Because it is a larger chamber comparatively auricle, so for relaxation it will be taken some time. Now about heart sounds, lub, dub. So lub is referred as S1 and dub is referred as S2, S1 phase and S2 phase. So lub sound is produced when tricuspid valves and bicuspid valves when closed. Less sound is produced. Lub sound is produced when bicuspid and tricuspid valves are closed. So it takes longer duration. It takes longer duration. Next, dub. So dub is S2. So due to closure of semilunar valves. Next, it produces sharper sound. And it has about shorter duration also.
Thanks for watching this tutorial. Hope it helped you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Help me in growing up.